In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gain members in Circle. And so, let's start by making sure you're logged into your Circle.so admin account. Once you're logged in, the first thing you want to do is navigate to the Members section. Here, you'll see an option to invite members. Click on that. This is where you'll enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite to join your community. You can enter multiple email addresses at once, just be sure to separate them with commas. Once you've got all your emails in, go ahead and click Send Invites. Now, for those who prefer to share a simple link, Circle.so offers an easy option for that as well. You'll find an option to copy the invite link. You can then share this link on your website, through email, or via social media. This is a great method to reach a larger audience who might be interested in joining your community. Another effective strategy is to promote any paid plans or memberships you might offer. In the settings, navigate to Payments and then to Plans. Here you can create a checkout link or copy an existing one, which can be shared just as easily as the invite link. This is a handy way to attract members who might be interested in what your community offers on a subscription basis. Hosting live events can also be a big draw. Think webinars or live Q&A sessions. To do this, click on Spaces. Select the space where you'd like to host your event and create a post for an event or live stream. Once posted, share the link to attract visitors who might want to become part of your community. Don't underestimate the power of offering free content. This could be anything from a PDF guide, a form, or a video that provides value. By creating a post with this type of content and sharing the link, you give potential members a taste of what they might gain by joining your community. Adding gamification features can significantly boost engagement and attract new members. Enable gamification by clicking on Settings, then Gamification. Toggle this feature on and set up points or badges for activities within your community. This not only retains current members, but might also entice potential members to join. Last but not least, keep track of your growth. Head over to Settings and then Analytics to monitor members joined, engagement rates, and which posts are getting the most attention. This data is invaluable as it can help you refine your strategy and identify what works best for attracting more members to your community. And there you have it. These steps will help you effectively gain more members in Circle. So, thanks for watching, and good luck expanding your community.